This is a working 1953 Tower Challenger typewriter, serial number 4CR11000. It is in excellent condition. It has been disassembled, cleaned, serviced, adjusted, and reassembled with a new ribbon installed. It has been thoroughly tested and is ready for use. It has a nice dark brown finish with green keys. Everything works as it should. It comes with the original case, which is worn with a few bare spots, the wood showing through. But it's clean and solid, and latches well. Okay, I'll get some paper in it and show you how it types. It also types in red. Unfortunately, it doesn't have spell checker. But other than that, it works perfect. That's the 1953 Tower Challenger typewriter. The Tower model is a Sears rebranding of Smith Corona. So this is very similar to the Smith Coronas of the early 50s.